How to create two Telegram accounts on one phone. Creating two Telegram accounts on a single phone is absolutely simple, and it is also possible, but only you need to make sure is that you need to have different phone numbers. You cannot create two Telegram accounts using the same phone number because each Telegram account is tied to a phone number. So to do so, here I can open Telegram. You can see I'm already logged in one of the account. So if I also want to create another account, if you have got dual SIM card on your phone, like in my case, I can absolutely do that. For that, just come to your settings and tap on your account option from here. From account, you can scroll down and tap on add account and simply add the new phone number that you have access to over here. So once you enter the new phone number, tap the arrow button. It will send you a verification code and other prompts so you can create a new account on a single phone. Only you need is that you need to have multiple phone numbers. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.